Long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm glad to see you again. Me too. How you doing? I'm fine. How's it going? Not bad. Where did you go to school? I go to Hanoi University in mining and geology. What did you major in? I'm majoring oil and gas. Oh, I see. I've got to go now. Talk to you later. Okay, take care. Bye. Bye. Outdoor. Heartbreak. Big rope. Right time. Top player. Black cape. Rose is our youngest daughter. She's wearing a red t-shirt. It's a big computer company. His alarm clock goes off at 8. I love bright bananas. Whether my job grabs space. Did you call about the job? What did you find out? Would you arrange travel? Why didn't you tell me? Didn't you major in management? Don't you speak Japanese? What's your name? Who's your mother?